In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix the payment method problem on Play Store. Or what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Google Play Store, click on it, and click on this forward stop option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And then click on this storage right here. Click on this clear cache option to clear all this cache and click on clear data. Now go back and this time click on the Google Play services. Click also here on this forward stop and click on the storage. Click on clear cache, clear and manage space, and then make sure to clear all the data from here. Now restart your phone, reopen Play Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.